Hey folks, it's Adam from 911 Studios. You know I'm a garage guy. I'm always in my garage. I'm always working on my project cars. Got the black Mustang over here, got the Lincoln right here, and my favorite, my new baby, my brand new convertible GT Mustang. Absolutely love it. Well, what's been saving me thousands of dollars on some of my older cars, even on my newer cars and on my Lincoln? The AL500. This is a code reader, and this thing is absolutely amazing. So let me tell you all about it and kick it off right about now. So you can see this thing is super easy to use. Easy panel, like straightforward. And one of the things I have to give a shout out, I've used a lot of these OBD2 scanners. This one, really intuitive, easy software, links in so easily. And just like, it just goes right underneath your dash. And I like that it's got a little light here so you can find the spot, because we all know getting under that dash is sometimes a little bit of a pain in the butt to find what you're looking for. So let me go ahead and tell you a little bit about it. I'm going to read some of these things right off the box and show you why this is the product for you, and you're going to want to order one today. So AL500, diagnose for you. All 10 OBD2 modes for most 1996 and newer vehicles, OBD2 and CAN. Read and erase codes. Switch off your check engine lights. You know, if you don't put the gas cap right on your car, check engine light comes on. You go to the dealer, they're going to charge you a couple $100. There's 1,000 different reasons your codes will come on that mean absolutely nothing. It's an excuse to get you into the car dealer, to get them to charge you a couple $100. All they're doing is turning off the codes in a lot of these situations. You want to know what's wrong? Patented one-click readiness test status for the smog test. Live data graphic, that is super cool. You can literally see all the performance and details about your car live as you drive, baby. It's absolutely amazing. Freeze frame retrieval, which is great, like to get that freeze frame and know exactly what the code is. If you do need to take it to your mechanic, you can show them the code and they go, oh, okay, we know how to fix that. Because you know, sometimes those codes come and go and you want to be able to pull them and show them, and so what's up? LED light, I love that LED light. Seriously, it is one of the most fantastic aspects of this little product right here, the LED light. The code library. You don't have to Google it, you got the code library available, and it does come with great little instructions, various languages right here, as well as your code reader user manual, all the details you need to know about it. So that's fan-dang-tastic. PC print, so you can hard copy data, access data. I mean, that's gonna be awesome. Record and replay your diagnosis, the code library, the LED light, and if that isn't enough, multilingual. English, French, Japanese, German, Portuguese, Russian, and Spanish. Yeah, it's absolutely amazing. Quickly get your VIN, your SIN, and your CVN information. All right, folks, look at that beautiful interface. Absolutely amazing. Plugs right in, easy peasy lemon squeezy. Couldn't get more intuitive on how to use it. Left, right, up, down, click OK. You've got the exit, the IM, and the help button, code library, and if it's green, there's nothing wrong. Yellow is the DTC is pending, and red is it is permanent. It does come with a USB charging, micro USB, mini USB, excuse me, and the USB right there. So you're gonna want to pick this up. Absolutely fantastic. And the user manual right here, the code reader user manual, straightforward. Just turn off the ignition, locate the DLC socket. It's gonna, most of the time it's gonna be right by your driver's side. Slide that bad boy right in, plug in the diagnostic cable, and turn on the ignition, and it's gonna do the work. You have diagnosis, IM, review, lookup, print, help, setup, and info. So easy instructions. You're going to be able to erase codes, read codes. Everything you need is right here, and the instructions are available. You don't have to get a PDF of it. It comes with it. So go ahead and pick one up today. You won't be disappointed. This is an amazing product, If you are just passive kind of car guy or girl, this is gonna be perfect. If you're advanced, it's great. No doubt, save yourself money. No matter what level car person you are, you need it, you want it, go buy it today. You won't be disappointed. Thanks again for watching, and say it with me, adios amigos. So I'm gonna show you how to use this thing. You have the plug. Gotta find a little spot for it up underneath your dash. Plug it in right there. TOPDON comes on. Diagnostic. And first we'll run through Diagnose by clicking OK. Click OK. Read any codes. Okay. Yep. At exit, you can erase codes. I am Readiness, the data stream. That's kind of fun. It's going up and down and click OK. View all items. Getting the supported data. Engine coolant temperature, load value, all the stuff you might want to see. So, pretty neat. Hit exit. Data stream. Select items, view graphic items. Ooh. Not an expert at using it. You know, I've only used this once or twice, so you can see it's pretty intuitive though. All data of page, click OK. Will change if you hit the gas though, that's fun. Exit. Exit. Freeze frame, O2 sensors, whoops. Onboard monitoring, evaporation, EVAP systems, and vehicle information. Exit. EVAP system, again, just use the arrows, click OK. Pretty straightforward, easy to use, smart, intuitive.